If you are the baking chef, you will love this helper. What's the difference of the regular mixers and the frequency changer spiral mixers? This is belt driven and all the capacitive is 220 voltage with plug. It is 2-speed mixers with the timer engine switch at the emergency button. For the cover, we have the protection of limit switch. When we open the cover, the machine will stop automatically. So what's the point of this machine? Quiet and smooth. We equip the frequency changer inside, so the running is very quiet and smooth. The decibel is even lower than the air conditioner. It is kind of stressful when you're doing a lot of baking job. Why don't you choose this frequency changer spiral mixers to give you a peaceful working environment?